There is this new Seedance 2.0 video niche that is getting up to 100 million views per video, and the craziest part is they are all generated with just a single prompt and can be created in minutes. This page here, for example, which just started uploading 3 weeks ago, already has 1.6 million followers, which is nuts, all by creating these Seedance 2 videos. Now, let's take a look at some of their best performing videos. For instance, they have this one here which got over 100 million views. Let's take a look at what it actually looks like.
I'll give you 10,000 if you open it.
Are you sure?
Open it. Who taught you that?
My father built this safe.
Stop!
Why? Is your name still inside?
And that's about it. Again, it's literally from a single Seedance 2 prompt, and you'll notice that it's always the same kind of video where a person gets humiliated or underestimated at first, but then somehow the situation flips, like the one we see here. And for some reason, the Facebook audience seems to really like these kind of videos. So let's take a look at another one of their videos. For example, this one here got 51 million views.
Sir,
You?
I can fix your leg.
How long?
A few seconds.
Count.
1, 2, stand up. My mother said you'd know me.
Yep, and this is another one which is obviously strange, and I'm aware this is AI slop, but somehow it's getting this many views, which is why I decided to make this video, which is also the first of my new series where I identify niches like these that perform very well and share how to do the same with you guys here on this channel. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out on more videos like this in the future, then be sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So yeah, you now get the gist of what these videos look like, and they're usually around 15 seconds long, which is also the maximum number of seconds you can generate per video with Seedance 2. So I decided to reverse engineer it and recreate the exact same type of videos myself, but I took it a step further and created a custom GPT out of it that now helps me create the scripts for these videos on autopilot, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. If you want to use it, it's completely free. And actually, here are some of the videos I created with the help of this GPT.
I'll give you 1 million if you open it!
Are you sure?
Go on. Who taught you that?
My father built this safe. Why? Is your name still inside?
You? You think you can play this? Go on then. Impress us. Who taught you that?
You did. Before you left us.
I'll give you 10,000 if you unlock it.
Are you sure?
Go ahead. How did you...
You used my birthday. You just forgot I existed.
As you can see, they are basically the exact same kind of videos. So here's how I created this GPT. I first took their best performing videos and extracted the transcripts and captions. Then I fed all of that into ChatGPT and worked with it to build a structured instruction system. I also noticed that they reuse the same characters, like this kid and this guy here, so I did the same. I created character reference sheets for my own version of the kid as the protagonist and the guy as the antagonist. By the way, they have way more characters in theirs, but to keep it simple, I decided to just create these two and edit them as part of the main characters in the custom GPT's instruction. And now, because the GPT knows these characters, it automatically weaves them into every story without me having to touch anything. And if I want to add more characters, I can simply add them to the characters list in the instruction, and the custom GPT would be able to create stories with more character variations. Also, if you want access to the exact blueprint behind the custom GPT I used in this video, so you can create your own versions and modify it, add new characters, and build on top of it, you can get it inside my community, AI Video Mastery. Link is in the description. Once you're in, you can simply head to the classroom section, and from here you can scroll down to the newly added viral niches course. Click on that, And once you do, you'll find this hyperlink here that says view the GPT blueprint. And if you click on that, here you'll get the full instruction system plus the framework files I attached to this custom GPT for proper image and video prompting, which are part of the image and video courses in the community. We've got over 8,000 helpful creators inside, and this isn't some random tutorials or scattered content. It's a structured path that takes you from a complete beginner to a master with step-by-step courses and real-time breakdowns of new tools and advancements in the space so that you always know what actually matters. If you're interested, check it out. I genuinely think it's one of the best decisions you'll make if you're in the AI space and want to make a career out of it. But now let me walk you through this custom GPT and create a video together. All right, so now I'm in the custom GPT and you can see that we have two different conversation starters. One of them is let's begin and the other one is generate 10 ideas. I'm gonna go with generate 10 ideas. And now it created 10 video ideas that are similar to the type of videos we saw on the page. So we got the security gate, a kid is denied entry at a high security gate, guards laugh, he scans his fingerprint, reveals system overrides, all stuff access, which is funny. Then we got the hospital bed switch. A janitor argues with a wealthy man over a private room, gets threatened, calmly checks the patient chart, reveal the patient is his father and the hospital is legally his. Then we got the auction interruption. A girl in the worn clothes interrupts $1 million auction, gets laughed at, bids zero, reveals she legally owns the item already. Especially this one here is very absurd, so I think I want to go with this. A poor boy stops a closing elevator full of elites. They mock him. He presses a hidden floor, reveal he owns the building. So let's see what kind of video we can create with this one. So I'll say, let's go with number one. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to create the image prompt for our video. So here we got a luxury skyscraper, elevator, lobby at night, etc. Notice how it says kid in image 1 and man in image 2. As I said, this GPT is aware of the main characters for these videos, and on Higgsfield there is a feature which allows you to basically tag images in order to make your prompts more precise, and that's what I basically did here. I told this GPT to always refer to the kid as image 1 in the prompt so that I don't have to manually do them, right? And if you don't already know about this feature, then don't worry, I'll show you in a minute when we generate the images. But let's also take a look at the video prompt that it generated, right? There are multiple scenes. We got scene 1, scene 2. In each of these scenes, we got things like camera, context, the dialogue, and also the sound to make it feel cinematic. So we got scene 2 here, scene 3, then scene 4 and scene 5. And you can notice that it's a 15-second long video. And also at the end there is the caption, which is the same type of caption that page also creates. So now let's start creating this video, and I'm gonna start with generating the image. I'm gonna copy this prompt and then head over to Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield and paste in the prompt. And if you remember, I mentioned about the image tagging with the add symbol, and you can see that currently we don't have any images attached to this prompt box. So I'm gonna head over to the character reference sheets that we created. As you remember, the kid is image 1, so I'm going to paste the kid's image as the first image, and then I'm also going to get the guy's image and paste the guy's reference sheet here as image 2. And when I do that, you will see that they are going to be updated, and you can see now that image 1 and image 2 are both correctly referenced. Now I'm going to change this aspect ratio to 9:16 since that's the type of video we are generating. And as for the image quality, I'm going to go with 2K, and I'm going to generate maybe 3 times so that we can get the best generations out of it. All right, so it seems like this is the best image so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and head to Seedance 2. And in here, I'm going to paste in the image. And what it's going to do is it's going to first upload it and also verify it to check the eligibility. All right, so it's verified, and I'm going to start adding the images in the same order as I mentioned. Kid as image 1, the man as image 2, and our scene image as image 3. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to head over and copy the entire video prompt, which by the way also contains the reference image tag symbol here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it into our video prompt. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the duration 15 seconds. And as for the quality, I'm gonna lower it to 720p. And as for the aspect ratio, we're gonna make it 9:16. And with that, we have our video prompt ready. And I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate so that we see how it turns out. All right, so the video is ready. Let's see what it looks like.
Hey, this isn't for you. Service entrance is downstairs. Try that. What floor did you even press?
This one. They locked it after my father died.
All right, it turns out Seedance 2 is not great with elevator mechanics, so the video didn't turn out to be as good as the others, but you get the gist. This is how you can use this custom GPT to create videos like these. Again, there will be a link down in the description below. You can use it for completely free, but I hope you enjoyed this first video of this new series. If you did, be sure to leave it a like, and also again, definitely check out my community AI Video Mastery if you are serious about making a career out of AI. But with that said, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.